Hello here, welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to cover Spring Boot. So first of all, let us understand what is Spring Boot. Spring Boot is a web application framework which is built on the top of Spring framework, okay, and it uses the Java programming language. In simple word, you can say that Spring Boot lets you focus on the business logic instead of the manual configuration. Then understand why we use Spring Boot. Before Spring Boot, Spring was there, but there are some limitation with Spring. That's why Spring Boot came. Limitations like it was using the large XML files, and the setup was complex. Okay, and if you need a server, then you have to configure a external server into it. Okay, so that's why these are the some demerits was there with Spring. Okay, then to overcome these type of limitations, Spring Boot came. So now understand what are the advantages of Spring Boot. Okay, so first of all, it is faster while development, right? And it configure the config files automatically. Then it provide embedded server. Okay, so that you don't need to add a server which is external. Okay, so then dependency management is easy. Okay, uh, so that you don't need to add manually anything, right? It will automatically do that. And while testing also it is easy with Spring Boot. Okay, so these are the advantages of Spring Boot. Okay, now let us understand what are the disadvantages of Spring Boot. Okay, so like because of the auto configuration etc, so you don't have control over configuration which has been done. Okay, and the startup time is slower because of the heavy configuration file etc. Okay, and it is less transparency because what has been done, it is done manual automatically. That's why you don't even know what has been done, right? So while debugging, it is sometimes complex to understand what has been done. So these are the disadvantages of Spring Boot. Okay, so this is all about today lecture. We'll see you in next lecture. Thank you.